Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In this video, we're unveiling the best laser engravers of 2025. From powerful machines for professionals to compact options for hobbyists. Whether you're crafting at home or running a business, we've got the top picks to help you create with precision. Let's dive in. Number 1, LaserPecker 2 Laser Engraver. The LaserPecker 2 Laser Engraver is a compact, high-precision engraving machine designed for a variety of materials, including wood, leather, plastic, and metal. It features a 5-watt compressed laser beam for fast and detailed engraving with speeds up to 36,000 millimeters per minute. The device offers 0.05 millimeters precision, ensuring sharp and clear results. With Bluetooth connectivity, it supports easy control via a mobile app, and its portable design makes it convenient for on-the-go projects. The LaserPecker 2 also includes safety features like an automatic stop function and goggles, providing a user-friendly and secure engraving experience. Number 2, ATOMSTACK A 20 Pro V2 Engraving and Cutting Machine. The ATOMSTACK. A 20 Pro V2 is a powerful laser engraving and cutting machine designed for both personal and professional use. It features a 20-watt high-power laser module that allows for precise engraving and efficient cutting on various materials such as wood, acrylic, leather, and metal. The device supports high-speed engraving with an accuracy of 0.01 millimeters, ensuring fine and detailed results. It includes a touchscreen control panel for easy operation, along with safety features like eye protection and emergency stop. The ATOMSTACK. A 20 Pro V2 is ideal for personalized projects, DIY crafting, and small business production. Number 3, xTool F1 2-in-1 Dual Laser Engraver. The xTool F1 is a high-speed portable laser engraver known for its lightning-fast engraving speed and ultra-fine resolution. It features dual laser technology, 1064 nanometer infrared and 455 nanometer diode lasers, enabling it to engrave on a wide range of materials including metal, plastic, leather, wood, and acrylic. The F1 supports engraving at speeds up to 4,000 millimeters per second with high precision, making it ideal for detailed and intricate designs. It also includes a built-in preview system for accurate positioning, ensuring the design is engraved exactly where intended. Compact and user-friendly, it's perfect for hobbyists, DIY creators, and small businesses. Number 4, Creality Falcon 2 Laser Engraver. The Creality Falcon 2 is a powerful and versatile laser engraver designed for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a 22-watt high-power laser, it can easily cut and engrave materials like wood, acrylic, leather, metal, and more. The Falcon 2 features advanced air assist technology for cleaner cuts and less burn marks, as well as a high-speed engraving capability for faster project completion. Its large working area supports creative flexibility, and the machine is built with safety features including flame detection and protective covers. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and small businesses, the Falcon 2 is a reliable tool for detailed engraving and cutting projects. Number 5, SCULPFUN S9 Laser Engraver. The SCULPFUN S9 is a high-efficiency laser engraver equipped with a 5,000 milliwatt output power and a 0.06 millimeter compressed spot laser, ensuring precise and detailed engravings. It's capable of cutting through 15 millimeter wood and can also engrave on materials like metal, glass, acrylic, and leather. The S9's advanced laser technology delivers cleaner cuts and finer engravings, while its sturdy design ensures stability during operation. Ideal for DIY projects, crafting, and small business applications, the SCULPFUN S9 combines precision, versatility, and efficiency for both engraving and cutting tasks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.